Okay, this is the last thing we're going to talk about today. So when we're doing research, we talked about on Monday or yesterday about taking notes all right? Today we've talked about making sure that when we're using a variety of different sources when we're doing research. So now we're really going to hound down on taking good notes on our research so we can pull information out, okay? I'm going to actually make this large, and then we'll come back to that. Okay, so why do we even take notes? Go ahead, Coach Stokes. You gotta be loud.
It helps us to remember and look back on important information. It shows us how our information might be organized in our own writing. It helps our ideas flow and inspire us for our own writing.
Okay, so those are the reasons why we take notes. You guys always ask me why. There you go. There's your answer. So now we're going to be talking about how we take notes. There's a variety of different ways that we can take notes. I can provide you, if you like graphic organizers, I can provide you with multiple different types of graphic organizers. I know some of you guys like sticky notes. I like sticky notes too, to where you jot down a little note on a sticky note and you put it on that page. If we print the article out to write on the article with annotation marks, which we're going to practice in our notebooks, or you can use an outline. Using an outline is really good because you're basically summarizing the article. So if the article's 3 pages long, the outline will make it like a little page, okay? So it says so those are our different strategies. We're going to be working on annotation today. So now, you guys always ask me, what do we need to take notes on? All right, so we need to take notes on the main idea and supporting details of the article. So if we go back to the lion's habitat, if the main idea is that the lion's habitat is slowly diminishing because of global warming, that's the main idea. There should be pieces of evidence in the article that supports that main idea, okay? You can also take notes on facts that you find interesting, important, or even confusing, okay? If you don't quite understand something, what the article is trying to say, you can make note of that and you can ask one of us and we can help you. And like I said, questions we have about the topic or ideas we want to research more. If we're researching about the habitat, the lion's habitats, and how the Sahara they're not in the Sahara, the Savannah Desert in Africa is slowly turning into a savanna or a desert, then you might say, hey, I want to research why the savanna is turning into a desert because of that article. Okay, so that's just kind of an example. So this is our annotation guide. So when we look at our article, instead of writing that you have an important information, you can put a little star by where that important information is. Or you can make a note, put a star, and then write out the quick fact. You can put a question mark for a surprising fact. A question mark if something is confusing. So you don't have to actually write out, hey, this is very confusing, Miss G. You can literally put a question mark at the end of the sentence. Highlight it the color blue and then put a big blue question mark. Okay? Agree or disagree. Oh, and this, I should have cut that in half. Okay, so let me check. Let's see here. I don't know what my time's at here.
30 seconds.
Okay. So let me go ahead and stop this.